Hello, and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Trey Taylor. If you've started the divorce process in Texas, or are about to, one of the most important legal steps is proper service. Without it, your divorce can stall or even be dismissed. Today, I'm giving you a straightforward guide to properly serving divorce papers in Texas, so your case moves forward the right way. Step 1. File the original petition for divorce. Before you can serve your spouse, you need to officially start the case by filing an original petition for divorce with the district clerk's office in the correct Texas county, usually where either spouse has lived for at least 90 days. Once filed, the court will assign a case number and stamp your petition. Step 2. Request a citation. After filing, ask the clerk to issue a citation, a legal document that notifies your spouse they've been sued for divorce. This citation, along with a copy of your petition, must be delivered to your spouse through legal service. Step 3. Serve your spouse properly. Now, let's talk about how service can happen. In Texas, there are a few legal ways to serve your spouse. First is personal service. A constable or licensed process server delivers the papers directly to your spouse. Certified mail. Sometimes allowed, but your spouse must sign the return receipt. Service by publication or posting. Only allowed if your spouse can't be located after a diligent search, and only with court approval. Waiver of service. If your spouse agrees to waive formal service, they can sign a notarized form acknowledging receipt of the petition. Remember, you cannot personally serve your spouse, even if you think it'll be easier. It must be done by someone legally authorized. Step 4. File proof of service. Once your spouse is served, the process server will file a return of service form with the court. This document proves that legal service was completed and is required before your divorce can move forward. If your spouse signed a waiver instead, that document must also be filed with the court. Step 5. Wait for a response. Your spouse has 20 days plus the following Monday to respond after being served. If they don't respond, you may be able to move forward with a default divorce. If they do respond, the case will proceed as contested or uncontested based on the level of agreement. Proper service isn't just a formality. It's a required legal step that protects your rights and your spouse's. Getting it wrong can delay your case or invalidate your divorce. If you're unsure how to handle service, schedule your free 30-minute consultation with us today. Like and subscribe for more Texas divorce guidance. We're here to make sure every step is done right.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.